Today, I'm going to be making a chocolate covered strawberry. This is going to be a great drink, yes, for Valentine's Day. It's going to go into a martini glass. First thing we're going to do is we're going to stir this. I'm going to take 1 ounce of vanilla vodka, 1 ounce of dark creme de cacao, fill this up with ice, give it a good stir. I'm going to strain this into my martini glass here. Now this looks like it's going to be short, but we are going to make a nice strawberry whipped cream on top. For my strawberry whipped cream, I'm going to use a plastic-sided shaker because it doesn't conduct energy, so it makes it a lot easier for shaking cocktails. For making this whipped cream, what I'm going to do is 2 ounces of heavy cream. And I'm going to do 1 ounce of strawberry syrup. Puree would actually work just fine, but strawberry syrup makes it a lot better because I actually have some sweetener inside there. Whenever I'm doing kind of a shake, a lot of times the trick for a bartender is whenever I'm whipping, I want to use 1 little ice cube to be my timer. So when that sound goes away, then I know I can stop shaking. So we're going to shake this. And all we're trying to do is whip the whipped cream. Once that sound disappears, then I know this is going to be ready, but I can always check it, see if I get a nice actual thickness on here, and I can just pour this right on top. And it'll float right on top of this vanilla and dark creme de cacao. And just to kind of give it a little extra, so we can have some nice little pink, we'll do some strawberry candy on top, a little powder. And we have ourselves a nice little chocolate covered strawberry. Thanks for hanging out with us here at Las Vegas Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.